Hi everyone, it's Karina and welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new day. Well, I should say evening because it is evening and I am making supper, as you can see. So I have for you today another video on a food pantry meal. So absolutely everything in this meal is from the food pantry except the brown sugar that goes in the sweet carrots. So what I am making today, as you can see, I have the brats in the frying pan here, and those are the brats that I received from the food pantry last Thursday, which I just uploaded that video yesterday or Sunday, I believe. So these are the brats, and oh yeah, the onion is not from the food pantry. So I just sliced up an onion. I'm sauteing them inside with the brats. And I have some baked potatoes in the oven. Those did come from the food pantry. And I will be warming up some sweet carrots. I'm just taking carrots from canned carrots, so they're already done. Just going to warm them up. A can of corn. I love corn in my meals, so we're going to have brats with sauteed onions, sweet carrots, corn, and baked potato. So I'm sauteing this stuff right now, so I'm going to cover it up and let it go, and then I will get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Okay folks, so you can see the sweet carrots are just bubbling away there. You see some dark ones, those are the leftover ones from last night. We actually had this same meal last night and it was so good that we wanted to have it again tonight, so we have some leftover stuff, and then the lighter ones obviously are the fresh ones from the new can. So nothing will go to waste. This was absolutely delicious. I can't wait to plate it to show you what it looks like. It tastes even better than it looks. Okay folks, so supper is done. There's our plate. We have a brat there with some sauteed onions on it, sweet carrots, corn, and a baked potato. This is going to taste delicious. Like I said, we had it last night and it was absolutely delicious. A simple, easy meal, all food from the food pantry. So very much appreciated. It is a blessing from the church. So thank you to our community for supplying this. So thank you all so much for tuning in and taking that time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you're having a great week. So far it is only Monday, but please do have a good week. Again, remember to live life, take care of yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.